Hey y'all, I am going to Hawaii. Yes, y'all, I just found out recently that my job is honoring me at a prestigious awards event on the Big Island, y'all, and I am leaving in just a few days. I am so excited, so I'm going to take you guys along while I pack my bags so I can show you everything I'm packing for my Hawaii trip.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the suitcase that we are using for our trip. This is a carry-on, y'all. I didn't want to have to deal with checking a bag, and we're gonna have a layover as well. So, at least I know my bag would be with me. I wasn't even trying to check any bags on this trip. So, all right, so I have quite a few things to put into this suitcase, as you can see. I think I may have overpacked a little bit. I don't know, but I like to be safe than sorry. So what I'm gonna do right now is we are going to put the shoes into the bottom of the suitcase. This is where I normally put my shoes, right into that little compartment there. So it's away from all the clothes. So I'm pretty much gonna put them face up, just like how you put them on the floor. And I'm just going to line them up on the bottom of the suitcase. Now, as you can see, I have several different pair of shoes because I like changing my shoes with each outfit because, of course, I'm not wearing the same shoe on vacation, right? But yeah, so let me just get these shoes in here real quick. Okay, now we got all the shoes into the bag. Perfect. Now, I have this large bag here, y'all. Inside this bag, I just put my underwear to save space and two other purses that I'm bringing on a trip. Y'all, how in the world am I going to do this? But you know what? I'm about to show you. Because one thing I'm going to do is pack a bag, y'all. You see, I don't have much space at all. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm taking my loungewear or pajamas, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to put that into the side of the suitcase, as you can see. So that's my jumper, and I also have my tights and my t-shirts that I'm using. I'm just putting this into the side of the suitcase. Now, I don't care if these are bunched up or wrinkled or whatever. It's loungewear, so I'm gonna put that right there. And as you can see, I'm keeping everything flat. I'm not folding it over multiple times. This right here are two of my black t-shirts, and I also have a white t-shirt there. And I'm just gonna put it on the opposite side of the suitcase. Same exact concept. Trying to keep it as flat as possible. There's no need to fold it multiple times. And I'm just gonna fold under the bottoms of the shirts just so that it can fit. Get that down in there, nice and tight and tucked. And I'm pushing it along the side of the suitcase to save space. Next up, I have another shirt, a knitted shirt that I'm going to wear with one of my outfits. So I'm putting that on the side right now. I didn't realize that I didn't unstrap before I started adding the clothes. So I'm going to actually take the clothes and bring the strap behind the way it should be. So let me just do that real quick. And y'all, do you see the concept that I'm using? I'm just pretty much utilizing every single space of this suitcase. Every single space, because I'm gonna make all this stuff fit, y'all. There is no way I'm getting a bigger suitcase. There's no way. I'm gonna make it fit. All right, so next up, so I have an idea. So I'm going to take my jeans and I'm going to take my jean shorts and utilize the front zipper of this suitcase, y'all. I literally just thought about this because I am running out of space inside, but I told you I am going to utilize every single space of this suitcase. And I think this is going to work perfectly. So as you can see, I didn't fold it down a lot. I'm pretty much just folding it down one time. There you go, y'all. Look at that. That worked out absolutely perfect. And I didn't have to worry about taking up any more space inside the suitcase. Now, a lot of people roll their clothes. Sometimes I just lay mine flat. But as you can see, I'm just trying to keep it as flat as possible. That's going to allow you more space in your bag, y'all. Why fold it multiple times, taking up all that extra space when you don't have to? Boom, there you go. Perfect. Okay, so here's a dress that I'm packing here. We have a town hall business meeting the second day of our trip. So I want to wear something appropriate. I don't want to go to our meeting in jeans, of course, or jean shorts. So I wanted to bring this dress along to wear to the meeting. So I am utilizing every single space of this suitcase, y'all. As you can see, this is a side pocket. Now, it may not have been made for clothes, but hey, I'm going to make it work. It worked just fine. These are my pants, my wide leg pants that you seen early in the video. I just folded those down nice and small, and I'm utilizing the other side pocket. Now this dress right here, this is a really nice sundress, very airy, very floral and tropical. I will be wearing this to the luau. I folded that down nicely, and as you can see, I kept the straps out because my straps have really nice ruffles, and I do not want my ruffles to get all smashed in the suitcase. So I just kept the ruffles out and folded the dress part down. Now I'm not too worried about any wrinkles in any of these clothes, y'all. The hotel will have an iron. This right here is the dress that I'm wearing to our awards gala. So I'm trying to be careful with how I'm folding it as well, because the bottom of the dress have some ruffles, so I'm just trying to keep that out as well. I don't want to, fold it over too much, but I'm gonna have this pressed when we get there as well, so I'm not too worried about wrinkles. I just want to make sure that it's not getting smashed too much. This right here is my bathing suit cover up. I'm just going to squeeze that in on the side right next to my loungewear and my pajamas. Tuck that right in there, and I'm going to take my bathing suit and put that right on the side as well. Right on the other side, y'all. Utilizing every single space without folding over my clothes multiple times or rolling them up. I'm just trying to keep it as flat as possible. I purchased a couple of different color lays for the trip as well. So I literally just put these into a Ziploc, and I'm just squeezing the air out of it. So I'm going to lay this right on top. These should be fine. Both are in Ziploc. These are all of my earrings. These are new earrings that I purchased for each outfit. So I'm going to place these earrings into the side of my suitcase. I just left them in its original package. There was no need to take them out. I could actually have better control of them that way anyway. So I'm just sliding those into the side zipper of the suitcase. This right here is a really pretty hair clip that I have for my hair for the night of the awards gala. And I'm going to slide that right in with the earrings as well. Perfect fit. Done. Now I'm going to show you some of my favorite perfumes that's going to make the trip. And if you're traveling with your man, y'all, you may want to pick this one up. This one is sexy and it's smooth. It's literally intoxicating. Absolutely amazing. So our travel size perfume and cologne is inside this plastic bag. I kept it in there because you just never know when there may be some leakage. So I'm just going to put this into the suitcase. I'm going to put it under my dress just in case. You just never know. Better to be safe than sorry. All right, so this is our little travel case here with our body wash, and we also have mouthwash. We have body lotion, my hair gel, and also a few other things on top. And I also had this travel case with my makeup, a couple of razors, toothpaste, things like that, and my jacket. So of course the toiletries are not going to make it into this bag, so I'm going to pack that into our other bag that's going to have Sean's things, and then I'm going to just put my jean jacket right here on top. Because in Hawaii during the evening it may get a little cool, so I'm bringing my jacket just in case. The weather's going to be pretty much in the low 80s, so the weather I know is going to be very, very pleasant. But you always want to pack a jacket just in case. You just never know if those chilly evenings are going to be hitting different, okay? Their heat is a little bit different than Florida heat, you know. So better to be safe than sorry. And we are done, y'all. We are done. But let me just fix this up a little bit better so it can zip. I'm just going to strap this one strap up here. The other one is already buried, but that's okay. No biggie. So I'm just going to fix that. And it's all set, y'all. All done, and I did it. Can you believe that, y'all? I fit all of those things into this one small carry-on. Make sure you stay tuned to the travel vlogs, y'all. If you're not subscribed, make sure you click that bell and subscribe. Take care, be blessed, and stay safe, y'all. See you in Hawaii.
Why you so fine?